Downtown, radar shows that the tornado's just about on top of us. If we die, we love you. We're downtown, we're on the 5th floor of the building, downtown the parking truck. We're going to go into this stairwell, concrete stairwell. Should be okay. Softball size hail. It was in Saginaw at 7:55, and the radar shows it's on top of us.
We ate there, all the power went out.
Taking shelter. Big raindrops in the light.
Poor birds are getting thrown around.
Yeah, if you can see the birds up there, they can't make it 10 feet. The wind was coming out of the north. Now it's coming out of the south.
Big fat raindrop. Maybe this is the calm before the severe storm.
Yeah. I'm hoping it goes to the north of us. Lots of lightning. Lots of lightning about east.
Lots of thunder.
Yeah. Getting close. Here it comes. We're going to get out of the rain. The rain's starting to come. Right through there. It's probably our best chance. It's coming from the northwest to the southeast, so if it comes, it's through Dallas County. It's come right over the top of us.
Coming at us fast. Wow. Lighting everywhere, all around us. our cars are safe underneath a concrete structure inside a garage. Very lucky. Okay, you hand it back to you.
Sirens were going off, so we took shelter in the garage. I haven't been going off in the last 15-20 minutes. They were going off.
I don't hear them right now.
Probably up north. I'd hate to drop my phone. It's a long way down. It's gonna be great. The next 10 minutes. There it is right there. Title of DFW tornado. It's kind of freaky looking back out there.
Wow. The lighting show is amazing.
That's Fort Worth out that direction, so it should be coming from that direction. It's right up here. It's about 2 o'clock.
That would be out like heading toward Carrollton, right?
Yeah, that's out Garland, Rowlett,
Farmers Branch.
Garland, East Dallas, Lake Ray Hubbard. Johnny, straight that direction. Mesquite. Behind the storm, really. The lightning is behind the storm.
Yes,
It's exactly 8:33 p.m. May 24th, downtown Dallas on 5th story parking garage. Tornado warning. Lots of lightning activity. Tornado warning till 8:45, so we got a hot 15 minutes.